If your makeup always looks like you're wearing makeup, try this routine out. No secret that the key to amazing makeup is how you prep your skin and your skincare. I'm gonna go with 2 different hydrating products. These are from Dime. I really want that hydrated, dewy, plump look. I'm gonna start with the hyaluronic acid serum. Love this in my morning and nighttime skincare routine, and especially before makeup right now when I need instant hydration. My skin is just so dry in the winter. Next, I'm going in with the Dewy Day Cream. This really gives deep hydration, but the formula still feels really lightweight. Also helps with the skin barrier, so it's going to help retain moisture, which I desperately need in these cold, dry months. I'm telling you, if my skin doesn't look like this, it's not ready for makeup. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to go in and I'm going to apply the thinnest layer of a foundation. I want it to be undetectable, but I really want it to just like balance out my face, cover any redness or discoloration that I have. And this is the Il Makiage foundation. Bronzer and contour, I'm just doing the Rare Beauty. I'm just shearing it out on my hand first and then going in with the brush. I'm going to go in with like the smallest amount of this NARS Pot Concealer, and I'm applying it with a brush, and this is really going to give a lighter coverage finish, which is what I'm going for. Now I'm going in with Huda Beauty Latte, a really pretty bronzy blush, and it's going to really blend nicely into that contour. I love adding faux freckles lately. This is the Tarte Freckle Pen. Very tiny amount of powder just to set that concealer. A little bit of brown eyeliner to the lash line to give some definition. For more of a natural look, I'm going for a brown mascara instead of a black. I pretty much wear a lip combo every day. Just gonna contour my lips a little bit with Endless Cacao. I have been on a pink gloss kick, so I'm just adding some of this Dior. Alright, you guys, here is the final look. Let me know what you guys think of the look and if you try the routine out.